Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. Okay, so I hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday with family and friends. And I hope everyone's doing fine. Today, guys, we're going to do an unboxing from the company called The One with the Diamond Art. I believe they are in the UK. I like their cool boxes. It came in this box and it says, every sparkle tells a story. Let's see. And then in the back, it just tells you what's inside the kit. And toolkit, poured glue, lace edge, and velvet back. So let's open this baby up. This one is called Blooms. And so let's get this out and let's see what we have. So it's got out the drills, and there's a toolkit and a little card. We're going to put the canvas aside, and this is their card. It says, thanks from Meg and Kathy, the one with the diamond art, our community. Look how cool the card is. Love that, the way it shines. Okay, now let's look in the toolkit. It comes in a little yellow see-through bag. All right, so oops. See if I can get this out, guys. Okay, here it is. So it comes with a diamond pen. This is for single placing. So that means you can only pick one drill at a time with a single placer. And then you also have this one, maybe a 7 placer, and this one's a 2. Okay. And what do you have here? And then you have another one here, another multi-placer, maybe 5, which is nice. They offer a lot of multi-placers. And then, of course, it comes with a white tray. And this is a comfort grip or a squishy. You could slide this on your pen. And sometimes you can, and sometimes you can't. Let's try the other way. Sometimes that, yep, there it goes. And this, guys, is supposed to help you with your hands, especially if you suffer from arthritis. And this is a pair of tweezers. Actually, wow, they're not sharp. So you can see they're round. Okay, that's nice. That's different. And this is the container. You have wax. And there's 2 of them. And it comes with a little plastic covering. You peel the plastic covering back and you can get the wax. And you also have some washi tape. It's blue with some silver stars. All right, so you have everything here in the kit if you're a beginner or a newbie, and you have everything that you need in order to start diamond painting. All right, so let's see, what do we have here? As you can see inside, they have the inventory sheet. So we're gonna look at the drills in a little while, but first let's bring out this, because that's what we need. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. This is actually a sticker sheet. So you don't need the Xyron. I thought it was just an inventory sheet, but it's actually a sticker. So over here, as you can see, it shows you a picture of the beautiful painting. And it's called Blooms. Bloom by Diamant and Strass. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And it is a 50 by 50 centimeters. Now, if you look at this, it has 4 rows. All right, the first row tells you that it has 47 colors. The second row are the symbols. The third row is the DMC code and the quantity, how many drills are in each bag. So you have 4 rows. And by looking at this, it says that we have 3 R's. And I'm not sure what that R means, if the R means ABs, because I can't remember it. I read this a while, so I cannot remember. Well, we will see, soon see when we look at the canvas. So this you could actually cut out, or you could just leave it the way it is, and you could put this in your logbook. And that's what I do. All right, so let's put this aside, and let's bring out the canvas. Now, the good thing also about this company, guys, is that you could actually select the size, and you could also select the drill. So for the size, I picked a 50 by 50, but this one comes in 60 by 60, 70 by 70 centimeters, 80 by 80, 90 by 90, and I think the biggest one is 150 centimeters by 150 centimeters. That's huge. And you could also select the drill. So I believe I picked round with probably ABs. So it comes with either you can select square, round, or round with ABs, or square with ABs. Okay. And the back of the canvas is very soft. It's very velvety actually. And as you can see, it's got scallop edges. All right, so I'm just gonna unroll it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, this is poured glue. Okay, so because it's poured glue, we can actually do this. We're just rolling it. Okay, and here it goes. Voila. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that face. Oh my gosh. All right, so very quickly, on the top, it says the one with the diamond art. And then over here, it tells you it's 50 by 50 centimeters because that's what I picked. And then it's got these pretty diamonds. I like that. The top here, and then it's got diamonds in the bottom. And then it's got two legends. And look at this. There's a picture there and a picture here. So you got two pictures on each side, which is nice. And again, the legend comes in handy. So this one has 3 rows. This one tells you that it has 47 colors. The DMC, I'm sorry, the middle is the symbols. The symbols are what you find in the painting. Okay. And I'm going to bring it up so you can see. Over here, you have 1 through 9, the symbols. And then you have the alphabet, A through Z. Wow, that's cool. And then the rest are just symbols. So you have a square, you have a heart, a diamond, some musical notes, a round, a check, okay? And then the last row is just basically the DMC code. And like I mentioned, you have 3 R's, so I'm not sure if I select, I guess ABs, those are probably ABs. And then down here, it tells you it's called Blooms, not Bloom, I'm sorry, I apologize. It's Blooms by Diamant, it's Strass, and it's round, and it's 50 by 50 centimeters. And then over here, these are the socials. This is where you can find them, okay? All right, so let's look at this beauty. What do we see? Look at how beautiful she is. I love the colors. Oh, wow. I'm just gonna bring it up so you can see how gorgeous she is. Look at that face. Look at the hair. She has beautiful different shades of purple on her hair. And then look at all those beautiful flowers. You guys know I love portraits. Look at this. And I love, of course, flowers. And the colors in the background, it's that blues, those blue greens that I like. Absolutely beautiful, this painting, guys. Perfect size, a 50 by 50. It's very clear. So you can see the symbols on the canvas. Again, look at that. Look at her face. Now, I do have to say that it is, look at those beautiful amber eyes. It is confetti heavy. And just in case you don't know what confetti means, it means that you're going to have to change a lot of drills a lot of times, constantly. And I'm trying to see if there's any color blocking. Very, very little of color blocking, except here, maybe in the background. And color blocking is like you don't have to change the drill many times because it's basically in a concentrated area, you have the same drill, which is nice. All right, I'm just going to peel this back. Very, very sticky. Okay. I wish the plastic was a little thicker, but that's fine. Okay. Now we're going to turn it around, and we're just going to bring out I'm not going to mention all the colors, but I think I'm just going to lay them out so you can see all the colors a little better. And then we're going to look for the special drills, and we will check to see where those special drills go in the painting. Now, I'm just going to lay them out here. And you know what's nice about this? This is resealable bags. Okay, so that means that you don't have to, you can actually keep them in a bag when you're working on your painting for kitting up. Or not, or you could put them in the containers. So I'm just going to lay them out here so you can see. Oops, you can't see that. These are not in order, as you can see. But hold on, let me just take this out of the way. There. So you got greens, some purple, peach, green. Hopefully you can see that. I'm just trying to see so you can see just some of the fun colors that we have here. I'm just going to lay them out. And then we're going to have to look for the special drills. It's going to be the ones, I guess, with the R at the end. Has so many beautiful colors. Look at this, guys. This got pinks, it's got greens, it's got peach, it's got purples, red. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to move these aside. I can bring the others out. Here goes blue, gray, red, more purples. Lots of purples in this. Okay, I'm just gonna have to look at the sticker sheet to see where are the special drills. Oh, I see them. They're right here, actually. There's 3 of them, right? Yep, they're ABs. All right, so I'm gonna move this aside, the plastic bag. Okay, so you got pinks, blues, all kinds of blues, grays, red. All right, so I'm gonna clear this up and we're gonna look at the special drills now. All right, so we have, let's see, let's put these in order. So we have 208, oops, right here. Let me bring this light a little closer so we can see that better. I think that's better. So this is 208 AB, and AB just means Aurora Borealis, which means it's coating. It has a coating that's gonna make it extra shiny. See that? And sparkly. And then this one's 762 AB, and this is like a gray. Looks like a gray color, very, very, very light gray, very pretty. And this one is 996 AB, and it's like a turquoise. Isn't that pretty? I'm just gonna take out, let's do this one. Let me bring out the a tray, and why not? Very quickly, right? Let's see. Oh wait, let's take that out of there. Let's just see the shine on this. Oops. You see that? It's beautiful. Very pretty. It's like a soft purple. Okay. All right. So we're just going to put this aside, and I'll put that back in the bag later. And we're going to turn this beautiful painting, and we're going to look to see where those ABs belong. Okay. And now we're going to have to push this light back so we won't see the glare. We don't want glare. Okay. Is that better? Yeah. All right, let's see. So this one is 208. This is when the legend comes in handy. And the 208, it's going to be that sign. And it's a light purple. Let's see. Probably on her hair. Okay, yep, right there. It looks like this is going to be sprinkled. Right there. It's that light purple, yep. All those light purples that you see on her hair. Any up here? About the flowers, let's see. I'm trying to see, yep, it's over here also. Right here on the flowers. Anywhere else? Let's see, down here, yep, some down here. Very little down there. How about on her dress? Yep, some over here on her dress. Over here, that's the flowers. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be sprinkled on her hair, on the flowers, some of the flowers, and some over here on her outfit. Okay. The next one is 762R, and that's going to be, it looks like a letter M, but sideways. Okay, so let's see. Checking to see if I see any on her outfit. Nope. On the flowers. Right there. So some there on the flower. Again, this is going to be sprinkled, which is nice. It's not going to be all concentrated in one area. I like that when it's a little bit of everywhere. I prefer that. Let's see, any up there? Huh. I cannot find it. It's a light gray. I'm just seeing it over here in this area here. Oh, lots over here on her outfit. So it looks like it's mostly on this outfit and this area here of the flowers. Okay. And then the last one, this one is 996. And this is going to be, it looks like a backwards E, but curved. All right, so anyway, just look for the blue, right? The blues, that like blue color. Let's see. Any up here in the background, maybe? Where are you? Oh, maybe down here. Let's see. Isn't it funny? It's like you can't find them, and then you do when you're not looking for them, obviously. Haha. Okay. Yeah, this one's giving me a hard time, guys. I cannot seem to find this one. I thought maybe it was this blue here. Well, yeah, it's giving me a hard time. Well, anyway, you guys know it's somewhere here. It's sprinkled somewhere, which is nice, like I mentioned earlier, because it's not in just one area. Okay, so again, look at how beautiful this painting is. Absolutely gorgeous. I will be ordering more from the one with the diamond art. Very pleased with it. Wow, love her eyes, her face, everything. The rendering, it's just beautifully. Wow. Okay, so I hope you guys love this painting as much as I do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Thank you, and bye-bye.